Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Dr. Mark with US 1061757 Auto Events and your Coastal Virginia Auto Show. We're visiting one of our sponsors today. So we have Tidewater Tech out here. They're located in Norfolk, out here at Princess Anne Road and Azalea Garden Road. Be sure to come out and check them out. They're going to be at the Coastal Virginia Auto Show, which we're very excited about. You guys know that I love the trades. You know, I used to be an aircraft mechanic at one point in my life, and it really helped me. I encourage all the kids and everybody else that if college is not for you, you definitely need trade school. They're going to tell you what, trade schools are the way to go, because you guys can get some skills out here and make way more money than a lot of your friends who might have been going to college, paying off a bunch of student loan debt and all that other stuff. But this is they have some great programs here. We're going to tell you all about it, so you guys be sure to stay tuned. This is going to be awesome. We're going to go inside and talk to some of the people inside about some of their programs and all that. And again, don't forget about your charity truck. You guys, cvautoshow.com. We're giving the sucker away on November the 20th. I am so excited. This thing is running great. We'll see you real soon. Come inside with me. Hey everybody, it's Dr. Mark with US 1061757 Auto Events and your Coastal Virginia Auto Show. I am very excited. I'm out here with Kevin Shepard. We are at Tidewater Tech, which is a local trade school. Now, you guys are putting out some quality people, and you are the assistant campus director. Is that right?
That is correct.
All right, so we are excited because you are coming out to the Coastal Virginia Auto Show. You guys are going to be on site, and we are pumped about that. So tell us a little bit about the automotive program. That's where we're starting out here.
Yes, so our auto technician program is where our students get all hands on deck, learning the Rudy to the tube of A to Z on what it is to keep the maintenance and keep the routine checks on your car. Right. From brakes to steering, suspension, all of that they'll get a hands-on in our program. Behind us is our hybrid electric vehicle. We purchased this over a year ago as we decided to expand our programs, pretty much touching more on hybrid vehicles.
Yeah, that's awesome.
We went with the Prius in particular because we know there's more Priuses on the roads than a lot of many cars that we are familiar with. Right. So we wanted to give our students that aspect with cars that are pretty much familiar in the world.
Yeah, and I mean, the trend is definitely going to electric vehicles, hybrid vehicles, and all that other stuff. So it's great to get some of this hands-on. A lot of our guys at the show, you know, they're classic muscle guys and all that other stuff. Absolutely. You know, so they're carbureted, their horsepower, they're the fumes and all that other stuff. But I mean, the whole thing is that the Coastal Virginia Auto Show is about everybody. We're excited about Electric Avenue as well, so we're going to have an awesome program there. All right, and then, so again, we're going to walk around this car in just a bit, but let's talk a little bit more about Tidewater Tech, because you guys are more than just automotive programs, because I took automotive mechanics when I was going through Boat Tech as a kid, so I can really appreciate the hands-on learning and all that stuff. And I tell people, I tried working for a living for a while, then I went back to school because the working hard, living's hard. But anyhow, so your other programs here, so you have welding program, and you have some certifications in there as well?
Yes, so we have 5 programs overall, starting with the auto technician program. Then we have building and construction trades, HVAC, combination welding, and combination maritime. Those are the 5 different programs that we offer here for our students.
Yeah, and then you were telling me there's a pretty quick turnaround. I mean, once you come in and get accepted and all that, I mean, you're getting out of this school within 12 months, 18 months?
Yes, our programs range between 8 and 12 months, depending on the program that you're taking. The students are able to come in and get out. It's all about being here every day and being hands-on and being in the classroom. Our instructors are hands-on, and they definitely engage with the students to make sure they understand what they're learning.
Yeah, and what I'll tell you guys is that this is a legit school. You can go through and you get the FAFSA in order to get student loans to get through here and all that as well. And also, you guys are super flexible with your timing. You have day programs, you have night programs, and you have some other alternate programs, right?
Yep, we have day, we have evening, and then for our welding program, we have weekend shift.
So I mean, you can still do your job, you can still work with your family, and you can still come to school and level up.
And all about us here, we're about who you are as an individual and a student. We understand that student success is at the forefront, but we also understand that you're an individual. So that's why we do our due diligence to try to meet a common ground to help you out. So whether it's you have to work during the day and the evening works best, or the day works best for you and the evening you can handle your job and other responsibilities when it comes to kids and family. So all we need is a conversation, and we can take it from there.
Right, and then when you finish up with these classes, you're certified in these different programs, because I know that with welding, you got to take a test and you get certified for this, that, the other, and all the other.
Yes, you are able to get different certifications. You're able to get 4 certifications out of the combination welding program, and then you can get additional 3 certifications if you go into our combination maritime.
Yeah, on here I see some of this ASC stuff. Are you actually able to get people with ASC certification while they're at school?
Absolutely. So students are able to get their ASC 1 through 8 certification and then the general certification as well while they're in
We're talking money now, right?
Yes, we are. Yes, we
Because
are.
this isn't shade tree mechanics stuff. The ASC is definitely the certification that's going to lead you up to being able to do inspections and really to be able to work on some of this higher end equipment. And again, you guys have all the technology here to the plug and plays and then also all the troubleshooting and all that as well, right?
It's a real life shop right here on the campus. In addition to it, as a fun fact, the students are also able to get their cars worked on here as well. Of course, there's some parameters in it, but with proper approval, they're able to get hands-on with their own vehicles and get things fixed and learn and take what they're learning in the classrooms into a real life perspective.
That's good. Some cool perks there. That's awesome. We're going to do a little walk around of the car. We're going to let Kevin tell us what's going on with this thing. You guys take it.
So one neat thing about a hybrid electric vehicle, we want our students to get a hands-on feel when it comes to the hybrid electrical component. So a neat aspect of this vehicle, we have an uncovered demo battery pack. Students are able to engage and see exactly how the configuration of the battery works as it goes with repairs and maintenance for keeping the vehicle up and going. So in addition to what we try to do through innovation on our vehicles to help our students understand the engagement and what they're learning in the program, we also have certain partnerships. One partnership we do have is the Priority Auto Partnership. Through that, students are able to apply and interview for certain jobs while they're here in the program, as well as leaving the program. We're big on job placement, so we look for different opportunities, and we definitely use our Priority Partnership as one to push our auto students in particular forward. So, of course, we talk about how it's a hybrid electric vehicle. So students get another opportunity of not only still working on gas and combustion engines, but they also get the hybrid aspect. So they're dealing with two different forms of a forever changing field, auto technician. So it's just something that makes them a more well-rounded technician, especially as we move forward. It's 2022, so we'll have flying cars in 23, who knows?
All right, everybody, I want to say thanks again to Kevin for having us out here. We are having a good time out here. This is crazy the way you guys have chopped this car up, but we can't wait to see this car at the Coast Virginia Auto Show. We're going to be there November the 18th through the 20th. cvautoshow.com for all of your details. We do have tickets out there. We do have tickets for your charity raffle truck as well. All the details are out there. Tidewater Tech is going to be on site. They're going to have a booth. They're going to have information. If you guys are thinking about my job is cruddy and I want to do something else, this is a great place to do it. They're doing rapid programs. Again, they have a lot of flexibility as to where you can get in on these for times and all the entries. And then you guys do these things in sessions to where you can kind of jump in on any third or any quarter or something like that.
So we have 10 starts a year. So there's 10 chances for you to turn your life around.
That's right. You don't have to wait until the end of summer to do this or that or the other. So again, Tidewater Tech, you guys are on the website. You're on Facebook and all that as well. So do yourself a favor, get out of your cruddy job, let's learn a skill, because the technical trades, there's money here. And again, we're not taking some killing you student loans with this as well, because we get them done quick. So we get in, we get out, we go get some money.
Yes.
All right, guys, we'll see you later. Somebody try to get in. We'll see you soon. Bye.